This male red-billed hornbill has found the perfect spot to bring up a family. His mate is never far away. He performs a little dance to entice her to take a closer look. He shows her approval by starting to spruce the place up. Now face a challenge that will test their commitment to the limit. They set to work gathering mud, a central element to their plan. Their aim is to make the entrance smaller. The hole is shrinking fast, so before it gets too small, the female must move in. This tiny chamber will become her home for the next 12 weeks, even using her own droppings to help narrow the hole. Working as a team, the female narrows the entrance from within. Their plan is to make a prison cell, but one purely for her protection, as it keeps predators like snakes from entering. Soon, the hole is reduced to a mere slit, just big enough to squeeze in supplies. Eventually, the eggs are laid. Among her clutch is a special spy egg. As the weeks go by, her mate's only concern is to keep his partner well fed. He brings her up to 20 large insects each day while she incubates. Nest hygiene is essential. 25 days after laying, the moment has arrived. She has a brood of 3, plus one adopted chick. Spy egg has become spy hatchling. With more mouths to feed, the male is in overdrive, finding at least 70 insects each day. The mother divvies up the food between her growing brood as best she can. But after being cooped up for over 2 months, the lack of space and constant quarrelling, she starts to chisel her way out. Testing the hole for size, it seems an impossible squeeze, so easy to get stuck. The chicks instinctively use spittle and droppings to close up the entrance again. Each chick needs 1 insect every 10 minutes. One bird alone couldn't keep up with demand. The parents will feed their chicks for another 3 weeks until they are ready to fledge. Few birds show such dedication